It's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Dollar Tree haul. Before I jump into this, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So the Dollar Tree got some new trinket trays in. So the trinket trays were definitely what was my favorite for the week, and I picked up this mermaid tail. I got this in the mermaid tail that stands up, and now I have it in the tray, and I think it's super cute. They had it in a few other colors as well, but I picked the iridescent pink. Mermaids must be all the thing, because they also had these trays as well. I thought these were really pretty. They had it with a gold tail, and they had it in a white tail. And they also had gold and white in a unicorn, and there might have been one other, I just can't, oh yeah, it was a cactus. They had cactus, mermaid, and unicorns. I also came across this picture frame, and I thought this was really cute. It has little, little hearts in here. Really adorable, and it says, "Love begins with you," and I believe you could pop the back off. It looks like you could pop it off, and you could put your own picture in if you wanted to, but I put a bunch of new signs, and I picked this one up here. It says, "Plant a garden and watch it grow," and they had other ones that were very similar to this style, but on here it said "good vibes," and another one had a different sentiment, but the picture was almost identical to this one, and I thought it was super cute, super springy, so I grabbed this. I also grabbed a pair of garden gloves. I find these great, but I'm always needing an extra pair, and of course I got my favorite color in purple, and it's one size fits most, and I find that they fit really well, and I like when they have the rubber for the grip if you're, you know, raking or doing any digging. It helps out your hands a lot. I picked up this butter dish here because I have one already, and of course nobody's going to admit to dropping it, but somebody cracked it, and I always wanted it to be a plastic one in the case that somebody drops it. I don't need the glass or ceramic going everywhere, so these are great, and I was glad to find another one to replace the one that's cracked. I picked up this headlamp here. I thought this would be really good. Sometimes when I'm crafting, it's a little dark, and I thought I could put this on my head, obviously, and see a little bit better. And it says that, let's see, does it come? It says the batteries can be replaced, and it does include the 2 batteries, so it should work. And it says it has a steady light and a flashing light, and I'm actually kind of interested. I've been wanting to open this up. So it has one of these little tabby things that you pull out. I don't know, right? I don't think the batteries are working in here, so, you know, it's only $1. I'll have to go back and grab the batteries that go for it, and then I'll let you guys know if this works. I also found a whole bunch of these hair clips. So these are the Goody brands, and this one's a barrette. I thought this was really pretty. And then I grabbed these two. These are Goody as well, and I got one in gold with black, and this one is just the clear gems. And then I found these Conair clips with the pink little gems on the flowers, and I thought this was super pretty as well. I grabbed some nail graffiti. I thought this was really cute. It's called Wild Thing, and it has some animals in here. Not quite sure if you guys could see. And this is more for crafting, not for my nails, and I thought it was really adorable, so I grabbed this. And I'm making an embellishment box soon, and I thought I could stick these in there for the person I'm swapping with. Alright guys, so I got sticker crazy. I bought all these stickers. I just can't help myself for $1. So this first pack here, it's garden-like stickers, and I thought they were so pretty. And some of them are puffed out, and then parts of it are flat. So this was really nice. You got 9 in there. This pack has 8, again with the beautiful flowers, some sentiments, and some puff up and some are flat. So I thought those were pretty. This is a different one that's similar style. I love that it has the gardening tools, the watering can. I just thought they were really pretty. This one had 10. Then I grabbed some of these shaker stickers here. I thought These were cute. There's 6 in here. Donut, you're so sweet. Treat yourself, more donuts. And they're all shakers. I grabbed some of these beautiful purple and pink butterflies. These are really pretty. There's 9 in here. I had to get these pineapple ones. You're the pineapple of my eye. And these are a little puffy, and I thought they were. I also got these flamingo ones. These were new to me as well. Flamingo and watermelon. And there's 12 here. I thought these were very cute for summer and doing crafting. And then I got this big pack here. There's 300 stickers, and I just thought this would be good to have while I saw it. It's like fashion stickers, makeup stickers. So cute. Has shoes, glasses, makeup compact, perfume. So there's 300. I also picked this book up, Tiny Hats on Cats. And this book retails for here $15, and there's even a tag here for $15. So that's pretty crazy, and it was just $1. And I couldn't resist. I definitely want to use this for a junk journal. I haven't had time to do junk journaling, but I love this. So pretty, so adorable with the cats, and it's also a crafting book. I mean, I doubt my cats would enjoy wearing a hat like these cats are, but they have these tiny little hats. And what's really cool is they give you the directions on how to make them. And I thought it would be fun to make them, not for my cats, just for little crafting. So I couldn't pass this book up. I really liked it. And I even liked the cover, so I might even use the whole book for a junk journal and keep this. I'm not sure. I gotta get my thoughts together on it. Grabbed a pack of sequins. There's 6 little pouches here. I needed these colors for my stash, so I picked up 2 of these Keep It Simple frames, and it has a cardboard backing, which I have removed from this one. And we're not gonna need the glass, so I'm gonna keep that aside, and all I'm gonna do is simply glue this right on top so I could have a tray. I'm gonna use some of my Fix-All along with my hot glue gun to attach. I covered the backing with this cute butterfly paper, and all we gotta do now is put a little dab, just a little dot of glue so that it's gonna stay. And I'm just gonna place this cardboard backing right back in, and there it is. There's a simple little tray, and it says keep it simple. It looks so much cuter with the little paper in the bottom, and now it could be used as a tray. Alright guys, that's it for today. That was my Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you enjoyed the items I picked up. Please comment down below. Let me know what items you may be looking for. And don't forget, give this video a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.